Let's bring in criminal defense attorney Lexie Rigden. And Lexie, we're focusing on the Hunter trial there in Delaware first. What do you think was the best testimony that was elicited by the prosecution yesterday?
Well, can you imagine having your exes testify against you in a trial? I mean, talk about a nightmare. But I think it was just the testimony from Zoe Keston especially, because she actually was hanging around him at the time that he bought this gun. Now, the defense had seized upon the fact that in October of 2018, she had not seen him, but she had seen him before that in September, and she'd seen him after that in November. And her testimony that he was smoking crack every 20 minutes and the text message that Brooke just referenced about how he will always be an addict, I think those two things were very important pieces of evidence for the prosecution.
Lexie, this is a case where the facts presented at trial and corroborated by Hunter's own book sort of meld and match with the elements of the crime. It's so refreshing to be able to say that and say that this early in a case. No pun intended to what happened last week. How does Hunter's team defend against that?
Well, they've kind of telegraphed how they're going to do that, which is centering around the definition of actually what it means to be an addict. What did that actually mean on the form? And maybe he was actually truthful at that time. Maybe for that month or so, or at that time period in October of 2018, he wasn't using and he was actually truthful on that form. And what does it actually mean to be an addict? And how is the jury going to be instructed on what being addicted to something actually means? He calls himself an addict, but does that mean that he's an addict for purposes of the time period when he's filling out that form? Now, obviously, I think that that's why that text message becomes important, because he's saying that even if he is sober, he's always going to be an addict. But, you know, the evidence here is pretty straightforward, which is also why the trial is so relatively short in comparison to what we just saw with what happened with Donald Trump. The prosecution's going to be resting its case possibly today after calling, a few witnesses. And so I think that that's what the defense really has to seize on, is that he didn't actually fill out the form untruthfully because he wasn't using at the time and potentially didn't consider himself an addict.
If this were a legal textbook, the defense sure is an uphill climb, but legal textbooks don't have the entire Biden family sitting in the front row staring at the jury. Lexie Rigden, we appreciate your time. Thank you.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.